towards English. I have beaten them multiple times. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. Even she has got beaten. Have you got beaten?
Yes, sir, I have got beat.
She has. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. Like everybody has got beaten. Ma'am, have you got beaten or not?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay, you are used to making mistakes, but at each step of your life, on every step, you have to make a habit that you don't need to make mistakes, because when you make mistake, it doesn't suit you. Okay, so the people and the public who are watching you, they feel that you are not talented, you are not educated, but in reality you are educated because you are the part of Insight Academy. So I am totally glad with all of you, and this was our first video in which we have performed speaking. Many people come in the comment box and they simply say that, they are so illiterate. They say that, sir, video is scripted. Come here. I'll show you whether the video is scripted or you are scripted. Okay. So we put a lot of efforts. It takes a lot of time. Hello everyone. Namaste. Sabhi ko namaste. आज एक बार फिर से again for the first time we are standing here for speaking practice. आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस, रैपिड फायर स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं. ये सभी बच्चे स्पीकिंग करने वाले हैं ऑन द स्पॉट. अब देखो, मैं इनके सामने अभी क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा इंग्लिश में और उसका जवाब देंगे. अगर ये जवाब दे पाते हैं तो भी अच्छी बात है, और नहीं दे पाते तो और भी अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि अगर ये जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे तो पिटेंगे का वीडियो में नहीं पिटेंगे, वीडियो बनने के बाद पिटेंगे. ठीक है ना. अब इनके पेरेंट्स इनकी वीडियोस देखेंगे, उन्हें खुद पता लगेगा कि क्या सीख रहे हैं क्या नहीं सीख रहे हैं, इन्हें क्या सिखाया जा रहा है और क्या नहीं सिखाया जा रहा है. So once again, I welcome you all to my channel Insight Academy English. My name is Anurag Theory. I'm standing here proudly on the behalf of my academy, and I have so many students in this batch today, and we all are going to perform speaking. This is our rapid fire speaking on our particular chapters. I will be asking plenty of questions, and they will be compelled to answer my questions, each questions. So are you all guys excited?
Yes, sir.
Really? Are you guys excited?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, if you make mistakes in your answers, if you make any kind of grammatical mistakes, then you will stand up, okay? And I will move for the next person. And when I will come to you again, and when again I will ask you another question, and if you answer the question correctly, then you will get a chance to sit down. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
And this whole video is going to be a large video, means its length should be very, very large, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes or more than that. So are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
Cameraman, you have to focus on me. At the same time, you have to focus on other people when I will be contacting to them. Then you have to take them into the frame. Am I right? Did you get my point? Okay, so should I start now?
Yes, sir.
Could I start now?
Yes, sir.
May I start now?
Yes, sir.
Am I allowed to start?
Yes, sir.
Hello ma'am, what's your name?
Hello, sir. My name is Akansha.
How have you been?
I am fine.
You are fine. Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
Are you fond of operating phone?
Yes, I am fond of operating phone.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
One brother. What's his name?
Its name is Krishna.
Krishna. Do you know the meaning of Krishna?
Yes, I know the meaning of Krishna.
What does it means?
Krishna is a god name.
Krishna is a god name. Do you believe in Krishna?
Yes, I believe in Krishna.
Are you desirous of going to temple?
Yes, I am desirous of going to temple.
Why do you go to temple?
Uh, e- every day I don't go temple, but sometime when I am
No. Sometime, not sometime. Sometimes. Sometime means for a short period of time. And sometimes means more than one time, 2 times, 3 times, like this. Okay? So do you go to temple every day?
No, I don't go to temple every day, but sometimes when I am desirous of going to temple, I go to temple.
Does your mother go to temple?
Yes, my mother goes to temple every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day at 2 times, in morning and at evening both.
Why does your mom go to temple for 2 times? And if I talk about yourself, so you are not desirous of going to temple even for 1 time on daily basis. So what is that one thing that is different in you from your mother? And why does your mother go for 2 times and you don't go?
Because my mother believes in God very much. That's why she is desirous of going to temple every day. When every day she says to me, Akansha, you have to go to temple at morning, at evening, both time. But at morning I have to go to school at 6:30 o'clock. That's why I don't have time. That's why I don't go to temple at morning. Yes, I am unable to go to temple at morning.
You are speaking very well. Do you know that?
Yes, I know that.
And why were you not coming like before? If I talk about 1 week ago, so you were not regular to the tuition. Why?
Before 1 week,
1 week ago.
before 1 week,
1 week ago.
1 week ago, my exams are going on. Were going on. That's why I am unable to come. I was unable to come to tuition.
Okay, that's right. You don't have to stand up if you make mistakes. Okay, I will correct it on the spot. Otherwise, we will create a rush, and that will not be beneficial for us. What happened, guys? Is everything fine? Is everything fine? Okay. So, Azan, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
You are fine. So, tell me about something. Like, tell me something about your day. How was your day today?
My day was very good, and I'm on cloud nine because today I get to know that how much did I get in my science paper, and I get full marks, so that's why I'm on cloud nine.
It's a good news, guys. Give him a clap. He got full on full. So, out of 100, you got 100.
No.
Out of 20.
Yes, sir. Out of 20 out of 20.
20 out of 20. It's a nice thing. So, are you fond of playing football?
Yes, sir. I am fond of playing football.
Since when have you been fond of playing football? Like, since when have you been playing football? Since your childhood?
No, sir. I used to play football after 2 years.
Before 2 years. 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Okay. So, before eating food, Azan, do you wash your hands? Before eating food, do you wash your hands?
Yes, I always wash my hands because if I will not wash my hands, so I will get germs.
Yeah. Are you fond of having non-vegetarian foods like fish and chicken and mutton and all?
No, sir. I'm not fond of eating non-veg because in my childhood, also I did not used to eat chicken.
How do you feel right now? Because for the first time we are recording a video and we are claiming that I am going to ask questions to everyone and everyone will answer the question without being told. We are not here with the agenda or with any kind of, you can say, preparation. Okay, there was no prior notice about this video that is going to be recorded right now, that is being recorded even at the moment, but still they are performing well or not, it is up to you. And this video is not for you, this video is for you all, so that you can get to know how you are performing, what you are learning here. Did you get my point? Do you have a car?
No, I do not have a car.
If you get a chance to buy a car, which one car would you like to buy?
I would like to buy.
First of all, repeat me. If I get a chance, repeat after me. If I get a chance to buy a car, then answer the question.
As you are saying that if I get a chance to buy a car, so I will purchase a Lamborghini car.
Lamborghini. Oh my God. Do you know the worth of Lamborghini? Like how much does it cost?
No, sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Do you have any car?
No, I do not have a car because I am not fond of cars.
What are you fond of?
I'm fond of playing sports.
Playing sports. You are fond of playing sports. And football is your favorite game or cricket is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Football. Can you tell us anything about your school? Do you know anything about your school? In which school do you study? In a private school or a government school?
I'm studying in a government school.
Government school.
Yes, sir. And it is a very good school. And
Could you please speak a little loud?
yes, sir. My school's name is Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, and I'm studying in 6th C. And there is so well ma'ams, and they do not beat us, and they mm, they te- They teaches us very well, and there is a period of PT, and we can play cricket and football and any other games like tug of war. And there is 7 periods. And
There are 7 periods.
there are 7 periods, and there is our education minister.
Okay. So you like your school?
Yes, sir. I like my school.
Why do you like your school? What is so special in your school that you like that school? Like there must be something new from other people, something different from other people's school. If I compare your school with the Amar's school, so what is different at your school?
Sir, I don't have any idea about his school.
Okay. Have you ever been to any other school?
Yes, sir. I have been to B.R. Tyagi school.
Do you like B.R. Tyagi?
No, sir. I do not like B.R. Tyagi, but in my childhood, used to study there, and I like their beauty.
Okay, that's a nice question and a nice answer at the same time. So, Shlok sir, how have you been?
I have been on cloud 9, sir.
On cloud 9. Do you know the meaning of on cloud 9? When you say I am on cloud 9, what does it mean?
Its meaning is very happy.
I am very.
Happy.
Can you tell us other ways? Could you please tell us other ways to say I am very happy? Do you know that?
Yes, sir, I know that.
What are those ways?
Uh,
The first way is
I am feeling nice. I am feeling good. I am feeling fine. I am on cloud 9. I am walking on air. I am sitting on world on top of the world. I could not be happier. My life is. My life is.
does anyone know? What is that?
As life,
I am as happy as life can be. Okay, so Shlok, tell us why do we need to learn English? Do we need to learn English?
Yes, sir, we need to learn English.
But why do we need to learn English? What is the importance of English? If I do not learn English, what will happen to me? And if I learn English, what will happen to me? What are the advantages and disadvantages of learning English? If I learn English, how will it benefit me? What are the plus points and what are the negative points? Did you get my point? What I'm trying to. Okay, so just go for it. Could you please give me a little space? I would manage here. So tell us. You please come closer. When I contact to someone, then after a while you have to come closer, okay? Yeah.
The advantages of English are that when we have to become something, like we are becoming a pilot or a doctor, then there all the doctors and pilots will speak English, and then if we don't join English, so how will we able to speak English? And the disadvantages of English are that if anyone understand English, that English is a piece of cake, but English is not a piece of cake. It is a little bit hard.
It's a little bit hard.
Yeah, little bit hard.
So do you think that English is hard or English is easy?
I think English is both easy and hard. Both.
Easy and hard. So tell me since when have you been learning English? Have you been coming to this tuition?
I have been learning English since 7 or 6 months.
For 6 months.
Yeah, for 6 months.
So tell me what are the changes that you have observed in yourself, into yourself? Like the day you came here for the first day, how did you feel that time? How were you feeling that moment? And when you saw me for the first time, how did you feel that he is going to teach me? Will he be able to even teach me? Whatever you thought about me or about this tuition, about the process, you have to inform us about that. Did you get my point?
Yes. When I came to English tuition, then I was on cloud 9. And I thought that it is my new journey that I will start English. When I was in another tuition, there I learned English. And there were 6 rules, and here are 5 rules. Four rules. And when I came here, I get a change. Yeah, I got a change in my life that I am speaking English very good, and my video is recorded, and all are seeing. Like yesterday, my live video was recorded, and I was literally very happy after seeing that live video.
So did you watch the video like after going home?
Yeah, suddenly I remove my bag and take phone from my mother, and then I opened that link and I see my video. I watched my video.
So, like, what would you like to say to those people who are still lacking for English, who are still desirous of learning English, but they are not able to make it happen? They think that it is very hard. Even in this tuition, there are so many people. They keep coming to us. They keep learning the languages. They keep learning the rules. They keep learning the chapters. But even today, after putting that much effort, they don't find themselves able to speak in English. What are the reasons behind this? Because you know one thing, the way you are speaking, it might happen that she is not able to speak like you, she might not be able to speak like you, she might not be able to speak like you, or I might not be able to speak like you. So what are the, you know, the mistakes that people make so that they are not able to make it happen, they are not able to learn it, they are not able to speak English? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So just talk about the mistakes and the pros and cons.
Sir, they think that fees is so much, and English will not help us in future. But they don't know English will help in future so much when they will become something. So then, if an person come, he talks in English, and other person, that front person don't know English. So how will they do that converse? How will they do talk by English?
Even in India, there are 22 regional languages that is on written paper. Means if you go from south to north or north to east or west, then the language will be changed. And once there is a change of language, then how will you be able to make communication to this, to the people who is standing in front of you? So it becomes very important to have a moderate language, a language that is common between you and him. And you can go for English for this purpose. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Like I have one thing that if foreigners comes in our country, like one foreigner is of America, they come India, and if one foreigner talk to anybody, and he don't know English, so how will
He doesn't know.
yeah, he doesn't know English. So what will they will make fun of us that India's people don't know English and they are fools, they are black, and the foreigners judge Indians on color, like Amar is black. I'm not making fun. Like Akansha Didi is black, and one foreigner is standing here, and he will say that.
You are right. You know, when we judge someone on the basis of color or body tone, you know what is it called in English? It is called racism.
Yeah, but we should not say like that. How foreigners say, they will say that, see how he is black, and he don't know, he's a fool. He doesn't know he's a fool. But they don't know the power of English, power of Indians.
Even you know there are many creators on YouTube. They make videos and all those videos are totally in English. And suppose you have to watch a video of a creator who belongs to America, who belongs to USA.
Mr. Beast.
He makes videos in English.
Yeah.
No, Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
How many subscribers does he have?
I think 200, 300.
There, he has 300
Only 300 subscribers.
300 million.
Oh my god, 300 million subscribers. 350 millions. What does he do?
He makes a challenge video, and he always उड़ाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Like, don't ask like this, okay?
They fly money all over.
They spend money.
Yeah, they have unlimited money. If he come India,
He comes India.
yeah, if he comes India, then we will wait for that on airport, and we will say, Mr. Beast, please give us money, and he will give.
Really?
Yeah, he will give. And if we
he will give you a credit card, and in credit card you can spend the all money and you can buy anything. And he have a lot of money. He can buy 5 Titanics.
Okay, okay. So it's the game. Okay, let me attend the call. Okay. So now you spoke very well. It was a nice conversation with you. Hello. So like Shlok spoke very well, and tell us in the comment box how did he speak. And if you really want to learn English, so start it today. Do not wait for the tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. Okay. So now I would like to speak with the. Who would like to speak? Who's desirous of speaking among you? You. Okay. So what's your name?
Sir, my name is Piyush.
Your name is Piyush. Where do you live?
Sir, I live in Budhviyar.
Budhviyar. Are you fond of playing cricket?
Yes, sir, I am fond of playing cricket, and cricket is also my hobby.
Playing cricket is your hobby.
Yes, sir, playing cricket is my hobby.
How many brothers do you have?
Sir, I don't have a brother, but I have one sister.
What is her name?
Uh, Her name is Khushi.
Khushi. Are you Khushi? Are you Khushi?
No, sir, I am not Khushi.
Who are you?
I am Piyush.
You are Piyush. Do you know the meaning of Piyush?
Yes, sir, I know. Yes, sir, I know about Piyush.
What does it mean? What does it mean?
Sir, it means Amrit.
Amrit. Okay. So Piyush, tell us something like about your mother. The behavior of your mother. How does she behave towards you? How does she cook food? What food does she cook? Okay. And when you make mistakes, so how does she treat you? Does she beat you or not? Or does she kill you, try to kill you? Or whatever like she behaves to you. So just talk about that. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir, I get your point.
I got your point.
Got your point. Sir, can I tell my mother's name?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. My
My-
mother's name is
My mother's name is Mrs. Amrita Singh, and she's 32 years old, and she likes to eat food. She likes to eat North Indian food, and she has a habit of doing homework like mopping and sweeping, cleaning and washing clothes and etc. And she cooks food very well, and she doesn't have a habit of beating me and my sister also, but sometimes she beats me and my sister also. And my mother's nature very is a sincere type and also aggressive type. Sometimes she yeah. Sometimes she aggressive. She becomes aggressive. And
So does she get angry on you? Like sorry, does she get angry with you?
yeah, when I make mistake, then she get angry to me, with me.
Have you ever been to your village?
Yes, sir. I have been to my village.
How many times have you been to your village? Class, please.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Are you fond of cooking food?
Yeah, sometimes I'm fond of cooking food, but not daily.
Are you able to make chapati?
No, sir, I am not able to make chapati. When I make chapati, then suddenly the shape of chapati like alien, zigzag.
So when you make chapati, so the shape of the chapati gets like alien, becomes like zigzag and all. Okay. So tell me, Piyush, what's your favorite dish?
Sir, my favorite dish is sir, kadi chawal and butter naan.
Butter naan. Does your mom make butter naan for you?
No, sir, doesn't know how. She doesn't know how to make chap butter naan.
So, have you ever slapped a boy?
I think one time I slapped one boy in my school.
Why did you slap him?
I slapped him because he's beating me. He was beating me, and I was only
Teasing.
teasing and and suddenly he will slapped me.
Slapped me. Why are you making mistake?
He slapped me very hardly, and I get angry. So I got angry. So I slapped him.
Okay. And why were like you were teasing him? That's why he slapped you. So when you slapped him back, he didn't do anything.
Sir, he had gone to the principal.
And then what happened to you?
Sir, and then I will
You were fired. They scold you.
sir, suddenly the teacher scold me and tell me say me you
What do you want to say? Okay. So has your father ever beaten you?
no sir,
He doesn't beat you.
no sir, he doesn't beat me.
Do I beat you?
Yes sir, you beat me so many times.
Why do I beat you?
Sir, you beat me because I do mistake.
So why do you make mistakes?
Sir, I do mistakes because I don't read the chapters and I don't do practice.
Do you speak English with your sister at your home in your free time while while having your lunch, having your dinner, while having your food or breakfast?
Yes, sir. I speak English with my sister in free time and also in the afternoon. And when we eat food, after eating food, we also speak English.
Okay, so it was a nice conversation with you. I will again come to you, don't worry. There is going to be a lot on this channel. Now I would like to move for next one. So now who would like to? Rishvi, stand up. Come here. Come in the middle, please. I want to ask you many questions. So Rishvi, first of all, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Rishvi, sir.
So introduce yourself.
My name is Rishvi. I am a girl. I study in a class 5th and my school name is NPB Sector 8 Rohini.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old, but in September I was 11 years old. I will be 11 years old.
What are you fond of doing in your free time?
I mostly doing in my free time like craft.
You are fond of crafting.
Yes, sir.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have not brother, but I
You
have.
don't have brother.
I don't have brother, but I have one sister.
What's her name?
Her name is Gauri.
Gauri. What is your favorite sport? Do you like to play sports?
Yes, I like to play sports.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
Badminton. Okay, Rishvi, how many chapters have you completed here?
I have completed like 60 chapters.
60 chapter. Can you tell us about your daily routine? What do you do on daily basis?
Yes, sir, I tell you.
Yeah, please go for it.
Firstly, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I go for fresh. Then I come from washroom. Then I go to for take bath. Then I taking bath. Then I come and wear my school uniform. Then I go to for making my ponytail. Then my mother, सर छोड़ने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Leave.
Then my
Drop.
mother drop me on the
Drops me.
drops me on the van stop. Then I go to school. Then I study there. Then I come to home. Then I change my dress. Then I go to pick up. Then I go to pick up for. Then I go to pick up to my sister. Then I come. Then we eat food. Then we eat food. Then I go to for rest.
Don't say go to. I go for or I go to.
I go for rest. Then after waking up, I wash my face. Then I go to for my
Go for.
I go for doing my schoolwork, and then I playing games.
I play games.
I play games. Then I come at home. Then I come to tuition with my sister. Then I study here. Then after going there, I am doing my
do.
I do my school work like reading and making drawings. Then my mother takes me milk. Then I drink it, and last I do my brush and I sleep.
You do brush at night.
Yes, sir.
Show me your teeth. Oh, so do you have white teeth or yellow teeth?
Sir, I don't know because sometimes my teeth was yellow.
Okay. So Rishvi, do you have your personal phone?
No, sir, I don't have personal phone.
Do you need a personal phone?
No, sir, I don't need personal phone because in my home 2 phones are there.
So whenever, like, what are you fond of watching in your phone?
Mostly I like to watch stationery.
Stationery. You are fond of stationaries.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the day of your birthday, would you like to come to the tuition?
Yes, sir, I would like to come the tuition on my birthday.
Would you like to give me party on your birthday?
Yes, sir, I want to.
Shivam. Okay. So Rishvi, like, would you like to give me a party?
Yes, sir, I would like to give you party.
For sure.
Yes.
You are being recorded. Your video is being made. Now, if you don't give me party, then you all will say her liar. Okay?
Liar.
If she doesn't give me the party, then she is a liar. Repeat.
I would like to give you party.
Okay, that's a great thing. So Rishvi, do you like the pattern of teaching? Like the way we teach you, the way I teach you, the thing that I have made, that you will teach him a chapter and you will make him speak, you will make him converse. Do you like this way?
Yes, sir, I like this way because if we study chapters to another student, so
By another student.
so we also revision that chapters.
Exactly. And Rishvi, does your mother speak English?
No, sir, my mother does not capable of
Is not capable of.
is not capable of speaking English.
If your mother is not capable of speaking English, why do you not bring your mother here? Call her and say her to join Insight Academy English. Insight Academy. I will make her also capable of speaking. Would you like to make your mother like that? Have you ever talked to her about this?
Sir, I said that my mother, mom comes to with me in my tuition, but my mother said that I am so old. But I said that it is not good because you have
Free time.
yes, you have free time to.
You should come and you should learn English as soon as possible. I think your mother thinks that she cannot learn English now. What do you think? Can she learn English right now?
Yes, sir, I think that she can speak English. And sometimes I tell my mother, mother, don't say that, don't say.
Okay. So why don't you teach her? Like, why don't you start teaching her? Just take 1 hour class per day or half an hour class per day if you have time. Or you can go for the holiday days. Suppose it is a Sunday or any festival is going on and you have rest time or free time. So just call your mother and sit together and start teaching her. Would you like to do that?
Sir, I am scared of my mother. If I do mistakes, so my mother beat me.
So if you make mistakes, so your mother beats you, that doesn't mean how will your mother get to know? Your mother doesn't know English, but you know English. You are the teacher there. So you can.
mother said that मुझे पता है मेरे को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, no problem. So does your father speak English?
Yes, sometimes when he calls to me on phone, then he asks to me, what do you study? How was your day? Is your English class going on good? So I said that in English. Then 1 and 2 hours we speak in English.
You speak English for 1 hour and 2 hours with your father.
Yes, sir.
It's a great thing, guys. She has a partner at her home. Okay, so she spoke very well, and I want to give her a good applause. So please clap. Okay, so cameraman, we would like to know the duration of the video. What's the duration of the video? What's the duration of the video? It's 35 minutes. Okay, so you spoke very well. And anyone else would like to speak now? Okay, you may have your seat. You have spoken, man. Another, don't worry. We are going to make a video, at least one video per day. Okay, and the video will be in a long format. I know that he is left, even he is left, she is also left, you are also left, you are also left, you are also left, you are also left. But I would like to cover one of you. Who would like to speak? Would you be interested in speaking? Okay, so please come. Would you like to be standing or sitting? Okay, so please come here. Yeah? Anyone is calling me? Okay. So, hello ma'am. How have you been?
I am on cloud 9.
So, what's your name?
My name is Samriddhi.
Samriddhi. Do you know the meaning of Samriddhi?
I don't know the meaning of Samriddhi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Subhash Chandra Yadav.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Himlata Yadav.
Hemlata Yadav. What do you do in your free time?
If I talk about that, what do I do in your free time? So I do so many things, like I keep on playing carom board, operating phone, watching TV. So
If I come to your home, would you like to let me play cricket or let me play carom board?
if you would like to come in my home, so yes, I would like to. I'll let you play carom board.
Actually, I don't know how to play carom, so
I will teach you that how to play carom board.
but I will not give you money for this.
Okay, don't worry. You will not give me money for playing carom board. Don't worry.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher in a government school.
Does she speak English?
Yes, my mother speaks English with me anytime. When I say to him something. Say to her. She gives me answer in English.
So every time, whenever you speak with your mom, you speak in English. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Every time.
Yes, sir.
And what about your father? What does your father do?
My father is a chemist. He has a shop of chemist.
So, like he runs a medical store.
Yes, sir.
So when you fall sick, okay, so you don't go to doctor, you go to your father.
If I am not feel so sick, so I go to my father. If I feeling very sick, that I
Need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
So you go to a doctor.
Yes, sir. I go to doctor.
Okay, so tell us about your bad habits. Tell us about your 3 bad habits that you consider that it is your bad habit. Like you don't brush your teeth, or you don't take bath in winter, or like it may be anything. It is up to you. You have to be honest, okay? You have to talk about your 3 bad habits.
So my 3 bad habits are first is I am careless sometimes when I am feeling lazy, and third is my bad habit. Second is my bad habit that I sometimes I ignore that mother is speaking when I was angry. So and third is when my father says me that please come to medical store to, sir, what is the English of chalane ko?
Run.
run the medical shop. So for 5-10 minutes. So I don't run.
Means you are never desirous of going and sitting on that shop. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you go there? You don't enjoy that work?
No, I don't enjoy that work because I don't like science.
You don't like science?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Okay. So when you came here, were you able to speak fluently English or in any way?
Yes, I am able to speak English.
When you came here, were you able to speak English like this?
When I came here, no, I'm not able. I was not able to speak English like that because I am new in this tuition. So that's why.
So like the day since when you have been coming here, making a decision to join Insight Academy was a good decision by you or by your parents, or is a bad decision?
In my opinion, joining this tuition, is it a good decision for me and for my parents, because English is help us to in our future. Like if we give any interview for job, so nowadays we have to give in English interview. If we don't know how to speak English, how to translate sentences, so we can't speak. So we can't give interview.
So you are speaking very well. Even I am totally glad. I was not aware of the fact that you speak that good. Like you have really fantabulous fluency. I was not aware of that. You never showed us. Why?
What, sir?
The way today you are speaking, you don't speak in class like this. Why?
Because, sir, nowadays, before the day ago, so I am feeling sick. So that's why.
And why do you take leave? You know, you take so many leaves. Why? Just talk about the reality. When I call you, when I message your parents or you, then you simply say that, sir, I have come to my nanny's house, to my bua's house or somewhere else. Why do you take leave? Yeah? It's not good, you know.
I don't take leave because I delay leave. Take leave. I know, but I want to come to tuition. But my mother is my mother is in nanny house, and I am also in nanny's house, and my father is in job. So we can't come when our father will come. So then we can go.
So how many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have only one sister and don't have brother.
What is her name?
Her name is Siddhi.
Siddhi. How old she is?
She is 3 years old.
Why don't you get her here? Does she not like to speak English?
She's like this.
She likes to speak English.
She likes to speak English. She says, "Me, Didi, I want to go to tuition. I want to speak English." So I said to him, "Please, first I said to her that first learn ABCD and then come to."
So do you feel that in order to learn English, for learning English, for the purpose of learning English, to learn ABCD is important? What do you think?
Firstly, any small student, like any small children, know to how to reading. So then he or she can speak English.
That's nice thing. So let's give her a clap, guys. So you may have your seat. You spoke very well. Okay. Now, again, so it was a great conversation with all of you. I know that I could not cover all of you. We will continue in other video. Okay, you all have performed very well, but many of you are making mistakes. But that doesn't mean that you don't know how to speak in English. First of all, making mistakes is a basic thing. Okay, you don't have to be scared of making mistakes. Whenever you speak English, if you make mistakes, so it's a normal thing. Okay, you are used to making mistakes, but at each step of your life, on every step, you have to make a habit that you don't need to make mistakes, because when you make mistake, it doesn't suit you. Okay, so the people and the public who are watching you, they feel that you are not talented, you are not educated, but in reality you are educated because you are the part of Insight Academy. So I am totally glad with all of you, and this was our first video in which we have performed speaking. You know, many people come in the comment box and they simply say that, you know, they are so illiterate. They say that, sir, video is scripted. Come here, I'll show you whether the video is scripted or you are scripted. Okay, so we put a lot of efforts. You know, it takes a lot of time. The result that you are observing here, that the video that you are watching today, they all have put their efforts. They have given their 100% towards English. I have beaten them multiple times. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. Even she has got beaten. Have you got beaten?
Yes, sir, I have got beaten.
She has. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. He has got beaten. Like everybody has got beaten. Ma'am, have you got beaten or not?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
So everyone has got beaten and multiple times due to their mistakes. I just simply want to convey the message that if you try, if you will, so you can make it happen. But if you don't try, if you keep sitting in your couch and on your couch and you keep thinking that one day I will speak English like him or like her, you can't make it happen. In order to make it happen, you need to wake up, you need to get up, you need to realize the fact that this is the perfect time for you to start learning. Start with the basics. And if you are near to our locality, so just join Insight Academy English. We are here to help you with each and everything. So it was all from my side. We will continue in the next video. So please tell us in the comment box how was your experience about the English and how did they speak. What are the areas of improvement that we can look for. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Guys, say everyone to bye.
Bye.